Hello, my lovely people. I greet the full house from Otoshebo Mama. Hope so now they fine. Una do what una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well well. My people, una remember this man when they say he fly from village come Benin. Una remember I see upload the video for my YouTube for there, still there for my page. Una remember. So this man now person wey na know say when social media something go for social media, person wey know am e come do video come tell us and still put the video more na lis ten come tell us say this man na really wetin me talk about na this man get, that is e brain that is e dey forget something. All these people wey dey get Alzheimer, they forget something. Na old age na take dey attack person. This not be everybody, but e dey attack many people wey don old. So this man come out, e come show us say see the ladder. Now not say the man come dey talk say na ladder na him take comot for there, him fall for up. So this one na the ladder wey e climb, wey e take fall for the other compound. Na from there e waka just dey go. So no be the way people take think am say the man na witch, because una know say I no go too blame our people. Na the way we take grow. I first talk am for the other of my video. The way we take grow na im make am with the anything at all. Even though say you just see cat wey just run enter your house, you go say na witch, na person send am come. So na the way we take grow na it cause us that one. I thank God for the man say they not torture am that day. Una know say the way they take dey talk that very day say if you not talk truth now, we just start to dey torture you. Thank God say they not torture. I pray may our people for home, back home, because not be we dey for this side, wey dey home, if they see all these people like this, not be all be wetin dem dey think about. One still happen one day, the man dey for inside car. Na dey call us and say how you take reach here. He say na im car. He come dey talk many things. That one na still lost of a memory. E dey happen. Na because of say we no know all these things, nobody dey tell us. Even me wey dey talk, so no be say I know am before. Na when I come this abroad, now I come dey okay na so. You go come dey see many things. Because if we dey see old people wey dey talk like that, we dey think say hey, this one e go where e get where e go last night. We will just dey think that one, only that one na we know. We no know other thing. So this man come talk say then they lock am for inside house since then. Say he lost memory. Say then they lock am normal thing. Normally they're not supposed to dey lock am for inside house. They're supposed to dey give am medicine. They tell am wetin don pass. No, they go see they will be like say that they bring am come back again. Our country not be like that, my people. We all know say not be like that. Once you don old now, you are on your own, they'll just say make you just quick make you can't go the other side, na be their own. But we thank God say the man person wey know and don come pick am say see the ladder wey he climb. Say the man he lost memory. Say then they lock am for his house. They no dey gree make come out. And I know say this people like that, when they will comot for house, they will just dey waka dey go. Now where their brain just tell them, then they will just dey waka dey go. Sometimes wetin happen now dem go remember. Then sometimes when you go dey talk to them, wetin dem don do 15 years ago, 20 years ago, na dem come dey talk. Dem no come dey remember wetin dey happen now. Na wetin don pass. Na brain na dey cause am. My people, me I put the video, more na lis ten, more na help me share. Una do well, so una take dey help me. I really appreciate una well. So not be everything we go dey talk say na witch, e fly come. If really say a witch dey exist, why we not dey see them when dem dey fly really? I no talk say no dey exist. E dey exist in as I take talk am. Una know say when dem say something dey do something like air report, na those things na be witch. Because no be say person, human being go just dey fly really. All these things wey who don watch air report, you know say okay na witch na be that one. Na that one. But person, normal person wey be human being no dey fly. E no dey fly. Me I never see am since I was born. So when people come see people like this now, they'll say na witch, na where e go yesterday, not quick come back, na e cause am. My people, God go bless una, so una take dey help me take dey share. I appreciate una well. Mona share am, make others still see and say the man no be winch, na just loss of memory na the man get. Wey many people don understand say this man lost memory, but most of them no understand. They say na winch, no be winch.
Hello. I'm okay. The information I give was the wrong information. That information I give. Oh, we Baba Mejena. Information we when I came out that on a ladder or yalao. Then I could okay at about 2 months ago. Email on my time, email Degbo Maria is so one. So for that, men I go level adowa. Me do well lost memory. So anything. So
wait for the
Wanota.
Go ahead.
Edoma. Wakade. Go wanna kawa. Why Wakade.
Oh, wa me kede.
De ko wa waje.
Idore wa be idunogbon.
Idunogbon. Iduwo.
Yes.
Wa ho ba.
Idunogbon
Iwe we yan do wa.
Isoro wa wo.
Ume fo no ba gian. Wa me titi ya not yan.
Do fa ma wo yo.
Oh, what do you make go ya?
Dem na ka mi ya na.
Okay. O wa pa lo le.
Nu go ya dire ni.
De ke ga aje.
Odukun me dale ma.
Odokun
It's coming from a mission.
A mission.
Odokun ni de ke tedie na. O wa tedie.
You might take pa, me might pass self. So it's like
They no give you one that man.
we tell you the one.
What can I be there na ya your boy na.
Why she don't get
It's like they break.
Oh we am no ba no ba be me ti o me am you.
He's fly. You know say if you go if you go waka quick,
Baba.
you just
break up.
Baba domo.
I'm not a breaker.
Where I went na ya mi allow down me na. Mama gwa when and mam we are able to make mama no about him.
You do it, what was it? Samuel, Mr. Samuel. Okay, do now.
Some other what do now.
Yes.
Where do we na?
I do that.
Ba ti na.
He do that. He do that.
Who does that, you know? Who does that, you know? They want to do that.
He do that, yeah. He do that, do it.
Baba, no ba na. Obi gboko here.
Obi gboko yi.
Okay, gboko wa ga ye mo no de na de o na e to wa je na o. O e to wa je na.
Gboko ni o ma je na.
Oh, e gboko. Pada gboko. E to wa je na. De na you we are there do na.
Gboko ni o me je na. Why we are there do? Mama gboko ni o we.
Baba. Eba imo ni ayo bo kan wa. Upoko ke ade diana. De me na me ka bibo he. Ni ado rescue e. Ko yan agbo ne baba ni agbo ne. Wo han baba. Bo wa ku boko ogo pana. Amayare. Why you say ma they no so go there.
On the journey. Yeah. So they can't break up. He not know where I want to go again.
Why they go why way?
They lock it.
They no dey go na ba.
Iwe ti de me ko joku de.
They came.
Okay, o ko dogun. Idu wa ga here. Wapa.
Waiting for.
He may cross again, man. He may cross. Wait, the other side of this place.
They fly.
because this is spiritual things.
Then I can't be now.
So when na spiritual things, he is flying. So they can't break him. Now the weight we take for, now they enjoy this.
Eh, how we work ke na eh? Dem nya ga over. Ai na ga na ta e, cause me no na para mai kana. Baba wa te we na no boko na anja te boko de do ni e.
Patrick anyway,
Patrick.
Yes. Ere
mode. So that you buy to boko. Now me can know eh. Patrick ere mode.
Yes.
Okay. If why are you boko? Abi so the one.
So that they are there they can have it.
Dunia je boko.
You don't remember why?
Boy. Why o peto gwa where? Na be na kan agbalo 1 year. My pet. Okay. Domo. Ah, galinha.